How many here maybe are afraid of flying? Somebody here? One, okay. Somebody knows somebody who is afraid of flying? More, okay. So if I find the clicker, good. So this is how the world looks. Approximately 41% of the people that we've checked, about 1,700 in the United States, or let's say 30% of the population are afraid of flying. These people are a bit crippled, and we are saving their lives in Simplifly. That's what we are doing. So Simplifly is developing a mobile app, actually we have it already in the stores, that helps people to save their lives, to save the quality of life, to let them fly as much as they need, to explore their opportunities in job and flying whenever is needed. Myself, I'm the CEO and the founder of this enterprise. I'm a captain of a Dreamliner, Active One. I've been flying for 41 years now, so I'm not really very young here. Elad is my partner and the CTO. We are both Air Force veterans, air crew. We have advisors that are psychologists, professors of psychology who are driving this side of the house, and we have also advisors from the business side. So our solution is based on a mobile app, Simplifly. It has now full chorus that brings the people all the pertinent information that they need. Also, they have audio clips with calming exercises and information. We can engage with these people well before they fly and teach them how to go over the flight. And we have launched a unique and innovative feature, which is chat with the pilot. They push a button, and one pilot in the world, think of it about like an Uber driver, available to answer, to chat with them, to calm them, to give them information, and to help them go through the flight. Our go-to-market strategy is basically B2B2C, while the customer is paying a subscription and paying for the chat, but we are teaming with the airlines which have the same interest like us, grabbing more people to fly, more people to fly with them, and having better experience. We are teaming with airports, and we are now looking for travel agencies and other entities and big companies that need to have their employees fly a lot. El Al is already our partner, actually a client. Every passenger gets our app, and while they are putting the code in it, it becomes El Al labeled. And all our media is on board the aircraft of El Al. So if you fly El Al, look for Simplifly, we are there. We also give them training for the flight crews. So once you are afraid of flying and you board El Al flight, you have a coverage from before you enter the flight until you disembark at the end of the flight. So the journey that the customer is doing starts well before downloading the app, and then while flying, using it. You can use it, of course, during the flight. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can still play all the media, and then you keep it after the flight, because we are not really curing the people. We help them develop strategy and to go through the flight. So that's what we have right now, an app and some cooperation, but we are moving forward. The next step is going to be using virtual reality to let the people experience the flight before the flight, controlled exposure if you wish, and then we are going to connect with wearables in order to provide whatever the customer really needs in real time according to their pulse, etc. Then we're going to use this huge database of 30% of the population and build a strategy that will be an AI-based strategy to help people. So that's how we're going to cure the world and give them the way to fly with ease. And that concludes my pitch. Thank you.